Good morning, Irving High. We are making this video to talk to 10th graders about your PSAT scores. So if you will, go ahead and get out your scores. Your teacher should have handed them to you, and you're going to open them up. What I'm going to do is talk to you about the 4 sections of the PSAT scores. First, you have the Your Scores section. The second section, Your Skills, then your answers and the next steps. So the reason we're going over this is because you're going to take another PSAT next year. And with that, it's just a practice test for your SAT that you'll take your junior year. So at the end of your junior year. What we want to do is see how ready you are for that SAT test. And it will tell us how ready you are for college and for any sort of entrance requirements for whatever colleges you're looking for. So the first thing that we're looking at are the 3 scores at the top. This student had a 44 in critical reading, 57 in math, and 47 in writing skills. So look at your scores. What we're looking for is at least a 50 in each of the 3 sections. A 50 means that you would have gotten a 500 in that section on your SAT, and that's what we're looking for to be college ready. Now, on your real SAT, colleges only look at the critical reading and math scores. So if they each had a 500, it would give you a minimum score of 1,000 to show you if you're college ready or not. Different colleges require different scores, and that's something that we can help you with in the counseling office, but this is just to give you an idea. The next section is, the next part of your test scores section is the National Merit Scholarship section. So to qualify for the National Merit Scholarship, you have to, number 1, be a junior in high school. So we're kind of just getting an idea for you for next year. You have to be a high school student, a U.S. citizen, you have to complete high school within 4 years, and graduate in 2017 when you are a junior. So to the left of that is your selection index. This number is just a sum of your 3 scores at the top. Each year the selection index changes. So it could be the same as it was last year, which was a 219, or it could be higher. So that just gives you an idea of where you are with qualifying for this scholarship that could pay for your entire 4 years of college. The next thing that I want to show you is this bar graph section called Your Skills. Your Skills breaks down each section of the PSAT, which are also the same skills covered on the SAT. So when you look at these bars, the longer the bar, that means the more questions you got correct. The shorter the bar, those are the sections that you want to go back and look at and study and work on so that you can pull up your scores. That kind of flows into the Your Answers section down here almost towards the bottom. This section breaks down each question, tells you what the correct answer was, your answer on the test, and then the level of difficulty. On the PSAT and the SAT, there's easy, medium, and hard. So look and see if you're missing a lot of easy questions or a lot of medium questions, and maybe you're just overthinking what the answers could be. The last part is kind of the coolest part of this, and it's the next steps. If you look, there's a blue link down here for collegeboard.org/quickstart, and you have your own access code. If you go online and go to that access code, it's going to take you to all of your answers and also tell you what colleges you would have qualified for right now. So if this was your actual SAT test, it'll tell you where you could go. It gives you extra practice questions in the sections that you need to work on, and leads you to any other questions that you need to ask us as counselors when you are studying for your PSAT. Come and see the counseling office, any of your counselors, if you have any questions, and have a good day.